back here, and I've got a mark on this machine, but in this case, we're going to do, this will be the third one over at the top, fourth valve. Now we're going to take this top one and turn it. And what that's going to do, watch, I'll turn it back. And I'm going to turn this one back here to get it to go up again. And I'll put it back on automatic. But if you watch, when I turn this one, you'll see it's going to drop the spindle down. Alright. Now the spindle will be down into place, lined up with the carousel. And now we're going to bring the carousel in. Now, I like to do this with the emergency stop activated so that the carousel is relaxed. I line it up as close as possible, and then I bring this in, and that's going to bring the carousel into the spindle. As you see it now, it's in there. And that's how we're going to leave it. That way the spindle and the ATC are lined up perfectly. We'll leave it just like that. And let me get back into the settings here, and I'll show you